Metformin is a simple, yet remarkably effective and affordable pill. It's a medication that has become a cornerstone in the management of a very common disease. It's a medication taken by over 150 million people worldwide, making it one of the most widely prescribed drugs on the planet. It is mainly used to treat type 2 diabetes, helping patients manage their blood sugar levels and improve their overall health. Its story begins with the French lilac, a seemingly ordinary plant with extraordinary potential. This plant has been used for centuries in folk medicine, passed down through generations for its healing properties. It was used to ease symptoms we now recognize as diabetes, long before modern medicine had a name for the disease. After decades of dedicated research and tireless experimentation, metformin was finally approved in the 1950s, marking a significant milestone in diabetes treatment. It quickly became the go-to drug for managing high blood sugar, offering a reliable and effective way to control the condition. Unlike other diabetes medications that work in different ways, metformin uniquely makes the body more sensitive to insulin, improving its ability to use the insulin that's already being produced. This helps restore balance to the body's glucose metabolism without forcing the pancreas to produce more insulin than it naturally should. For many years, it was just considered a reliable and standard diabetes drug, nothing more, nothing less. That is, until researchers noticed something quite surprising and unexpected in their data. It turned out that diabetics on metformin were not only managing their diabetes effectively, but they were also living longer than expected. In some cases, they were even outliving healthy people who weren't taking the drug, a truly remarkable observation. This unexpected finding sparked a new wave of research and investigation into the potential benefits of metformin. Scientists began to explore metformin as a possible key to unlocking healthier and longer lives for everyone, not just diabetics. Metformin works by fine-tuning the body's energy systems, especially in the liver. It tells the liver to release less glucose, lowering blood sugar at its source. It also helps muscles and fat cells respond better to insulin, so more sugar is absorbed from the blood. Metformin even reduces how much sugar you absorb from food and tweaks the gut microbiome, which may have broader health effects. This multi-pronged approach makes it a master regulator of metabolism. By targeting the root causes of high blood sugar, metformin does more than just treat symptoms. Its ability to influence fundamental cellular processes is why scientists began to wonder, could it also slow the metabolic changes of aging? That question launched the search for metformin's potential as a longevity drug. The key to unlocking a longer, healthier life might just reside within our very cells. The secret to this puzzle may lie in a crucial cellular pathway called AMP, often referred to as the body's master energy sensor. It plays a vital role in regulating energy balance and maintaining cellular health. Interestingly, metformin, a commonly prescribed medication, activates AMPK, effectively mimicking the beneficial effects of calorie restriction, a dietary approach known for its health benefits, or even exercise. Two proven ways to extend lifespan in various animal studies. This activation triggers autophagy, a crucial cellular cleanup process that plays a vital role in helping cells repair damage and renew themselves, promoting overall cellular health. By diligently keeping these essential maintenance pathways active and functioning optimally, metformin has the potential to significantly slow down the accumulation of cellular damage that ultimately drives the aging process. Furthermore, it also appears to possess the ability to reduce inflammation, oxidative stress, and the potentially harmful buildup of zombie cells that can inflict damage and harm tissues. The real promise and potential of this approach isn't solely focused on living longer, but rather on extending health span, maximizing the years spent in robust good health and free from the burden of chronic disease. By directly targeting the fundamental processes of aging itself, metformin holds the potential to delay the onset and progression of many age-related conditions simultaneously. This shift, from primarily treating diseases after they manifest to proactively targeting the underlying mechanisms of aging, represents a radical and exciting new frontier in the field of medicine. Before the leap to human trials, researchers meticulously explored metformin's effects in the animal kingdom. Scientists embarked on a series of experiments, testing metformin on a diverse range of animals, starting with simple organisms like worms and progressing to more complex mammals such as mice. Across many of these studies, metformin demonstrated a remarkable ability to extend lifespan, and not only that, but it also improved overall health and vitality, with particularly striking results observed in roundworms. The benefits were also notable in male mice, showing promising signs. Worms treated with metformin not only lived longer, but also maintained a higher level of activity and mobility throughout their extended lives, largely attributed to positive shifts in their gut microbiome composition and improvements in their overall metabolic function. In mice, metformin supplementation led to approximately a 6% increase in lifespan, a figure that, when scaled up, could translate to several additional years of healthy living for humans. And it also contributed to improved bone strength and density and a reduction in the occurrence of cataracts. However, it's important to note that the results were not universally consistent, as female mice did not consistently experience the same benefits, and certain strains of mice showed no discernible effect from the treatment. The extent of the benefits appeared to be influenced by factors such as genetics, biological sex, and even dietary habits. These somewhat mixed results serve as a reminder that findings observed in animal models don't always directly translate into the same outcomes in human populations. Nevertheless, the animal data generated was sufficiently promising to warrant further investigation through human clinical studies. The crucial question remained: could metformin potentially offer similar life-extending and health-promoting benefits to people as well? Proving metformin extends human lifespan is tough. We can't run 80-year lab experiments on people. Instead, researchers analyze health records from large populations. A major UK study found diabetics on metformin lived longer than those on other drugs and even outlived some healthy non-diabetics. Other studies link metformin to lower rates of heart disease and certain cancers. These findings are compelling, but they're just correlations, not proof. Maybe metformin users get better care or live healthier lives for other reasons. To know for sure, we need a gold standard clinical trial in healthy people. That's the goal of the TAME trial, which will test if metformin can delay age-related diseases in thousands of older adults. Until then, the evidence is exciting but not definitive. So, is metformin the first true anti-aging pill? The science is promising. It activates longevity pathways, extends animal lifespans, and is linked to longer, healthier lives in people with diabetes. But we don't have proof from clinical trials in healthy people yet. Metformin is a prescription drug with side effects, mostly mild stomach issues, but rarely more serious risks. Never take it without a doctor's supervision. The story of metformin shows how old drugs can reveal new secrets. But for now, the best anti-aging advice remains: eat well, exercise, and don't smoke. Metformin may one day help us all age better, but until the science is settled, cautious optimism is the wisest prescription. The search for a true longevity pill continues.